Introducing the Labodent LabRock Dental Stone Type 3, dark blue in color, designed for precision-driven dental laboratory work. Inside the pack, you'll find the LabRock Dental Stone, along with all the essential instruments and tools required for accurate mixing and controlled pouring. Let's take a look at the key features that make this dental stone a reliable choice for daily lab procedures. An ultra-fine particle formulation ensures superior detail reproduction, capturing even the finest anatomical structures accurately. It offers excellent edge integrity, allowing precise trimming without chipping or edge breakdown. With high compressive strength, the models remain durable and resistant to damage during laboratory handling. A low setting expansion of 0.15% ensures dimensional stability and long-term accuracy of the cast. This dental stone is optimized for prosthodontic and dental laboratory applications. Smooth flow and thixotropic properties allow easy handling and bubble-free pouring. For mixing, measure a desirable amount of powder. Add about 23 milliliters of water and mix thoroughly. Manual mixing takes 30 to 60 seconds. For vacuum mixing, mix for 20 to 30 seconds at 350 to 450 RPM for optimal consistency. Pour the dental stone carefully into the impression or model mold. The working time is approximately 6 minutes. Use a vibrator during pouring to eliminate air entrapment and achieve a smooth, bubble-free surface. The setting time is around 10 minutes, ensuring controlled and predictable setting. After adequate setting, gently remove the cast from the mold and proceed with resizing or trimming as required. The result is a strong, accurate, and finely detailed dental stone cut, showcasing the precision and reliability of Labodent LabRock Dental Stone Type 3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Dentalkart YouTube channel.